In WhatsApp, sometimes you may receive some important messages. After some days, if you want to see that important messages, sometimes it will be difficult because sometimes there will be so many messages. If there is any important messages in WhatsApp, it is better to keep it as starred messages. So if you want to see that message again, it will be very useful. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about how to star any messages in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the chat in which you want to star a message. For example, I am selecting this chat. After that, select the chat which you want to star. For example, I want to star this message. For that, long press on this message. When you are long pressing, above you can see one star like button. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that message will be starred. Now in this message, next to type, you can see star button. That means that message is starred. If you want to see this message in starred messages section, what you need to do is click on that contact name or phone number. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see starred messages option. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see every starred messages. So this way you can keep important messages in starred messages section. So this way you can easily star any messages in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.